Right, I'm going to chat with you. By Grace TV. When you are my company, will be a sabre. Pretty Daroma. I did also not be Judy. Mr. Wabusia and Tempa. Obana who video ya now subscribe Mr. Now for ya bribia what any notifications there be video be to ma you na be ho bi na ka busia ni die mu a me say yentai ye ho achi monta mo ba achi na nyamenya dom na yentimi sum ye na ye ho na bibia enwie quickly we there kutupuya na ye din se be som ni na say Ashanti Youth Association aya oba Asante memu a mabuko ye wo Asante memu ba bi Asante man ko pim na aka ho abom a wo de krata ababontin sense for yenka na Ghana nyina enti sem no de ababontin na ye kokobon sem ya all can dia fa branch here friends Kevin Taylor ho da fe all can sem e de ache Ghana mampani se ene ye bia branch Kevin Taylor down e dimle bi atwam na etia Asante man na mponsem ni bi ene ye ni bi etia achiame na ko ha adwen na nso branch here o yes na e ma nyina aba Ghana na ko akoye se oman yi ye did the state security elbon ho ban e man no protocols bia afoforo ya aka enya no na ha adwen ye nti ama Ashanti Youth Association de krata ababonten kasa atwi Ghana mampani adwesi so se onhwe ni ma biye wo de ekoso no nya no nko a okasa so de fa na do ma hene ho so na do ma hene se sia ya promote de ko abuse court and also a group here from Ashanti Youth Association akasa dia fa na yentu ya bo ase na nsem o mo kan ye chechemu nchahwefo na bibia enwie nti abusia Ashanti no cinematic aka Ashanti Youth Association 29th of July 2025 that's another year and o check out e di ababonten that you can say for many years Aya has lived by the Ashanti proverb opayidie matemante to wait a wise elder overlooks provocation. Guided by this principle, we have exercised patience in the face of repeated misconduct and inflammatory utterances by individuals such as Domahine and the degenerate Kevin Taylor. Let's say, or just say, I am feeling brainy and Ashanti Association, no, one more. Ajina Asante baby ebusa pani we die mate na wo mayi o mani e dia free nsem bia na do mahene eka ne ni ye bia o ye e na face o brother friend Kevin Taylor ni nsem bia o ka di Asante man e ba bi ti achiame ya nyina o mayi o mani ento aso say we have received countless appeals from concerned Asantes, members of Asante man and loyal supporters across the globe urging us to respond to these persistent attacks. There's a few brano and our Macoso Abia, Womo ete and some Santifobi at the and some Tomanim say, some work also. I can tell us and some more Casa, the Tia Santamai, and the Achame, not of my Diano, Womo and Tona Mobi Fanfahon. Now, Yantuaso, or say many suspected that certain political actors were quietly fueling these provocations. Yet, Aya, Ashanti Association remained measured, choosing restraint over retaliation. Let's say, Obusu say, Ojubabi come among for your dream say, Amanyofo bimpo, and a share Kevin Taylor and after another Mahinachi, yet now Mocas answer and the fast Santa when there's Sunday, and it's answering no Ashanti Association, one more ya one more armor a wire to us way, or say, but recent developments can no longer be ignored. Kevin Taylor, an individual who exiled himself to the United States and built a name through vile insults directed at respected personalities, including clergymen, business leaders, political figures, and even our esteemed Achiame, has now been ushered into Ghana under the protection of national security. That's what I say. Nipa Kevin Taylor, yes, to say, Okasaditia. So for mpanyufo wodin why do ho bobra why man Ghana mu aman mu mpanyufo brano na mpodu bra bi okasa man se bi mpotia achiame na ni nyina mu obabaju Ghana ye de oman yi bambo na ema no ya oman no esika ya me ene wo a wo hwe me yetua yetua de ma oman Ghana ene de bon ho bra e de hwe no se de asitie na yetua so a na omo che se a man once regarded as a national nuisance has been given a hero's welcome by the very government that received enormous support from the Ashanti region during the recent election. I say, Asante can tell maybe a chum. Now you want to say, some more can or just say, or you'll be a one more money in Tumpo, and some more can near my but mine, then nay, Sabi, Amanyoku, but now Kunyaso. Now, when ya at Chitapa, Kasiawa, Santimemu, Now Brantia Kabutela ya so a man to the Bia or Casaditia Asante mine that it's your public tia chame. That's how many Koya was Kunyaswa. Now almost a tanachi at your money a sikane dear elbow chidom Yantua so. Now say shockingly constitutional protocols were similarly bypassed under the cover of emergency. The Attorney General and the acting Chief Justice empaneled judges to rule in his favor. Let's say also in check Rana Kevin Taylor Assembly, yeah, 2020 mu Justice Chamber for the court order bar say yen channel na bibinti abranche na si Ghana ha na ya abranche ndi si aban better question abranche ba Ghana through the same court no Supreme Court at na so abasana to ogu say abranche no for the enkodi na say abane ha drink akra pa. I will say this development only strengthens the perception one we once dismissed as rumor that certain high-profile individuals within the government have long backed both Kevin Taylor and Nana Mahama in their coordinated attacks against Asante. They will say, a call say will be a 2020 Supreme Court share na Justice Cheba for them. It really say young channel na bibinti a call one never seen never a buy from back na kunyaso no a buying dane ya. Say ni pay ya Supreme Court that's not say there be. Court to Cassie and says here, Jano, offer it in Codidim. Next, almost say, Asante you just say, all the money to San Semia. Now, come here, Coyese, and ye, na a brantier can tell a near my way. Say, there may be now, Nipabica say, I'm on your Kobe the chassis, and now come here, Coyese, I am pa, and I say, another do my hands on some now, okay, at the first Santino, maybe Tia Santin, now come here, Coyese, and Ocre, say, any, I'm on your Kobe, and a chassis, and Tina Coban say, Yan Twasway, Yan Twasso. And to us, I will say, at the end of Asante situation, we asked the government, Ghana man paying John Jamani Mahama, now buying a Tekunyaswa Sem, and Seben on Busaba, when they say, what of the people of Boko and Kwanta in the voter region and Swansea Kumasi, whose lives are constantly endangered? Why are they not afforded such urgent protocol by national security? Let's say, see, I know, Asante is on Busa, when Penny Mahama said, he animal Boko. Yeah, to kwa se sia sunjeni ho yan mo won kwata voter region and afi aswansi kumase ya enche ekwa ekum kusase fo hene ekum nipa bi aka na se sia wo ete ho ati ehu ene ohaw ne amane mu wo mo disease ya Kevin Taylor ehu hia echen sa nipa mpempem wo man mu nyina na ene asem wo mbusa aden na sanfo ne yemfa national security ya de bo Kevin Taylor ho ban no yemfa enkobo mo ban no nsem a Ashanti Association wo mo ebusa afo say do the injustice faced by Boko and Nkwanta not deserve the same swift attention from the Attorney General and Acting Chief Justice? Obusa Attorney General and Chief Justice acting say, "Sabi oye ne element mo ase ekoso Boko and Nkwanta ye offer omantem no. Ina no almost omo hia say entempa ye de bombo say ya be ma omo amasu dwaba na ene se mo busa. Afedi na omo ka biem. Omo say we also put this to the ruling party. Is this how you repay the countless Ghanaians who fought, campaigned, and even died to bring you to power? Are you suggesting it was only Kevin Taylor who secured power for John Mahama and the NDC? John Busa Yura, John Mahama, and the NDC American say, and to Ghana for a brand paper make a woman to a bar, a boy, and my NDC American say, Asidani and Abade, or my ye, and it's Sumina Swana, almost that, Emiana, and Pogana phobia prayer. A ball and two us and this milk as will be a show of cannon. What was it then ye? Say, you didn't better than ye at the book and tell a home bayana, a barco, as was saying. Or see, we are equally dismayed at the posture of Nana Mahama, a disgruntled figure currently under contempt of court, yet seemingly rewarded with elevation from a lower court to a higher court. The Attorney General and the Acting Chief Justice have, by their actions, made clear where they stand. Their silence and complicity speak volumes. That's it. Was also chance to be able to say, now almost just another man. Yeah, Ben Fiemi and Psycho 9 years. Did you more or can't some must be Etia Asante na 7 people Etia Achame and say, and some more can do baby a canny petty boom. So, yeah, that's all yes. Yama another man so Edna free a high court, air court, appeals court. Or Mubusa said Nakobasa. Let's say Yabona Baswano and Tiana Attorney General and the Chief Justice no. Well, money ya say or Moma not Domahene so a free a lower court, I call a different court a higher no. Next, one young will be a Mujina, send your subio. omo na tan na do ma hene chi ye ntia bebia na all can sem e di fa Asante ho na eno ya sem sebe after omo chem say their silence and complicity speak volumes na say ti ye ya omo ye na say silence means consent na say ye bia omo tachire ye omo for sa na ma no so na after abusia ye ba bewie no omo to also say the government must choose between Asante and Kevin Taylor, between the dignity of the Ashanti kingdom and the dishonor represented by the Mahama. There's one position they say, my president, no ultimatum. Kevin Taylor and Asante President Mahama ain't choosing back, or not buy. So, we choose Kevin Taylor, we choose Asante, so we choose near back. And after almost saying, my president Mahama ultimatum said, on choose between the dignity of the Ashanti kingdom and the dishonor represented by the Mahine, and this won't just move back home. Now, finally, we also call upon all Ashantis within the ruling party. Your silence on this matter is deafening. We urge you to speak now. Do not follow the example of Kwamitua, whose betrayal of Asante will never be forgotten. Be like Robert say, who stood unwavering in defense of Asante man. And there was almost catch Asante for a war, and this Abaya take me say, Woman, yes, Kwamitua, Sansa, Woman, come here, no, a man I drain. Pa woman say Kwamitua da Sansa Kwamitua ya wo ya Asante man be sin there if you me breach dey bia e ka ya e kan so e ka bo ntiri so woman say Kobadu say ya wo no ogina na so esoma Asante na wa nyi Asante ama da biara da after to us say as the proverb goes say unsa chi be ya wo da and say unsa yem to wait if what lies behind your back feels good then you must be willing to fight for it. Okay, next and only as some moka the omo say Asante man e ma ye wa ban mu no omo kai sade na omo hwe say omo nyi omo Asante e ma da bia da. This is highest official position the omo na ye e pa ne say we will not stand by and allow the dignity of Asante man or that of our revered king Otumfuo say to the second be undermined by any individual or political force. Long live the Ashanti kingdom. Long live Otumfuo say to the second king of Ashanti kingdom. And what have you told me? I can't tell you Ashanti Youth Association and the tray. Yeah, the Sasha say Dr. Ronald Ofori, your president. So and honorable Nana upon board, your vice president operations. Omina Sasha Sebi, or chair, their bab. Say, and kind Nagana, Manina, and say Ashanti Youth Association. Sansa Moakoso, Nakamitil Abagana, yeah, this state security and a bon hobino. Wamuka said, yeah. Na ne omo ka chema President Mahama say Asante man ene Kevin Taylor on choose baako saa so na Asante kingdom no ene Canada Mahama so on choose baako na ene ma akoso na say am omo nya adwen bi say ene ya bia ne ya nokore say aban yi ene tai aye Kevin Taylor ne ma o ye ene nsem o kan ye ene fa Asante ne a kira me won achi saa so Canada Mahama nsem o mebe twa kan ene fa Asante e bia na omo na teche tebusia Ashanti Youth Association akasa nyina mu sem abasom ye bia chie bepam ye ne Ashanti Youth Association panyi for betina say ye yetwe nkomo e dia afasa asem we ho da bibia e ye medin e di kwabena wusu me hyewa akoso a na hwe by Grace TV esanse wo ne kwa e di ma me so sa fe no ho channel ya no subscribe no turn on notification no sense bia ye wo ne kwa ya e di abesom nyame nka ho maka bye bye.